the European League of Legends Championship Series.
Clap, clap.
Genji's in trouble, Mimos teleports in towards it, Eddie going down as well, he gets caught out, Diamond gets taken down.
I'll be ready. Yeah. Guys?
Always ready, dude.
Tries to get away, gets stunned up, Freddy pounces through, gets himself the kill. Vanna now locked in there, he's going to get stunned out. One more basic attack will be enough, there it is, Freddy gets on towards it, he gets himself the double. Flash in there, pulverized down, they don't get enough down, Soren's in trouble, he gets caught out, Broken Shark gets down, and it is Wicked that is picking up all of the kills.
Look for a booger, look for a booger, look for a booger.
It's going to be Cyanide, he hooked in there, J-Ree, it's going to be enough, he gets taken down, Connex jumps in towards him, Reckless gets himself one kill, Soaz comes in, Kevin gets melted down, Millennium are just dropping like flies here.